Good afternoon, welcome once again to Thompson & Smith. And today we're more than pleased to offer this stunning looking VW Tiguan R-Line Tech 2 litre diesel 150 PS 6-speed manual. This is the 4-wheel drive edition. As you can see, it's finished in the best colour of pure white, which is complemented by the R-Line body kit, 20-inch diamond cut alloys, and the rear privacy glass. I'm just going to take you for a close up of the 20-inch diamond cut alloys first of all. They're all in superb condition along with the tyres. I'm just going to take down the driver's side of the vehicle first. You'll see the R-Line sports badge there, front wing, which is keyless entry and start. So we come to the rear privacy glass. That's the rear of the vehicle. I've got the power tailgate up already. I'll show you the boot. Good size family boot there. 40-20-40 split rear seats. A real nice feature, or option I should say, is the space saver spare wheel. As I mentioned, it's a power tailgate just on the button. You see there the rear park sensors. It's also got all-round camera. The inside rear, just take for a close look again. We've got 20-inch wheels, all in superb condition with the tyres. Let's take you to the rear seating area. So we've got the all important cup holders there, the rear trays, which can be adjusted. Have your breakfast on or tablet, whatever. We've also got rear climate for the rear passengers, USB there and charging socket. Everything in tip-top condition. The near side front view. See front park sensors there. The car ticking over, see the daytime running lights. Also see the front camera system screen there for lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control. Now just step in the car itself. And we'll see electric windows front and rear, electric heated folding door mirrors, all auto lights. And a great feature on the new Tiguan is the cockpit dash. You can see there I've got the Sat Nav all set up, just right in front of you. As I mentioned, adaptive cruise control. It's all trip computer. You can see the R-Line sports wheel there. Across the middle, so we've got the Sat Nav again, colour display in the middle there. We've just got to the menu. So it's DAB radio, all Bluetooth, VW App Connect, all the vehicle displays there, traffic, as I mentioned, navigation. We work our way down, heated front seats, it's dual zone climate control there. A little bit further down we've got USBs and charging sockets, as we mentioned, push button start, auto hold assist to stop you rolling backwards, also forward drive as I mentioned. There's different settings there. If you just go to the screen, you'll see off-road, individual settings, you've got snow settings, you can change it as well to individual or sports. Also here, camera system, you see there 360 degrees camera system, has got auto parking as well on this button here. And we come back down the dash, cup holders and more storage. We just go into the roof area. You see I've got the electric sunroof open already. We'll just close that on the buttons here. It's also got electric sliding blind, again a real nice feature to have. Now the car's done 25,000 miles. It will be serviced by ourselves on purchase. It'll come with 6 months RAC nationwide platinum warranty. Let's come out of the car for one last look. more about this car, for myself, Tom, or in the sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk.